Hello, I'm teacher Michelle. Welcome to my classroom. Today I did a really fun experiment with my son that I thought you guys might like to do at home or in your classrooms as well. So this is a really good project for students in a wide age range. My son is 3, but all the way through elementary school, this would be a really fun project for your students. So most of the items you're probably going to already have at home. So you're going to need some kind of shallow pan. A pie pan works really good for this, but you can also use like a Tupperware container or even a plate with a wide rim around the edges. Then you're going to need some milk. This is whole milk. A higher fat content, the better, but whatever you have at home is going to work just fine. You're gonna need some dish soap. I put it in just one of these small little containers because it's easier for the kids to use and they can just, dip right into there. Whatever dish soap you have at home is gonna work fine. And then you can use cotton balls or we used Q-tips. You're also gonna need some food coloring. It doesn't matter what color, just whatever you have around is good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pan or your container, your plate, whatever, and you're gonna pour your milk into there, okay? Then you're gonna take your food coloring, whatever color you want. You can do multiple colors, doesn't matter. And you're gonna do dots all over the milk with that. It's best if you don't mix the colors right away. You want the dots to all be separate. Then what you're going to do, once you have your milk in there and your food coloring drops in there, you're going to take your cotton ball or your Q-tip and you're going to dip it in your into your dish soap here. Then all you're going to do is you're going to dip that right into your milk solution and you're going to see what happens. So let me know how you guys enjoy this project. If your kids love this activity, take some pictures, post them in the comments. Let me know if you guys love this activity. We've done it probably 5 times already today because it's a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have fun and have a really great experiment. Bye.